Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Let more students join the class. We will start the class. Okay. Ali Salman and Amna Sheikh, open the camera, bete.
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam, bete. How are you all?
Assalamu alaikum, miss. Fine, miss.
Morning time, sleepy. Done the breakfast? Okay.
Yes.
Very good. I think more students are joining us. Okay, Ali Salman, do recitation today. Unmute yourself, do recitation loudly.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu Azim, bete. Ali Salman, when we do recitation, we have to recite slowly so that other can understand, and the voice should be very polite because it's the name. In the recitation, we are praying, we are reciting the Quranic verses, so it has great honor. Am I clear, bete?
Yes.
आपको बहुत आराम से पढ़ना है और बुलंद आवाज से पढ़ना है, लेकिन वो चीखने वाली आवाज नहीं होनी चाहिए, बहुत मोतबर, बहुत रेस्पेक्टेबल होनी चाहिए, ठीक है ना? ओके, so I'm continuing the yesterday topic. I hope you all know how to submit the assignment now.
Yes.
तो आज आपका assignment होगा एक पहेली, riddle, ठीक है? So you all have to solve that riddle. So today in assignment I'll be giving a riddle to you. Who will solve that riddle, they will be getting +2 marks. जो मंडे को मैं आपसे क्विज लूंगी ना, उसमें मैं उस रिडल के मार्क्स ऐड करूंगी. क्लियर? मंडे आई विल बी taking a test assessment of English. In that I'll be adding 2 marks of that riddle. ठीक है?
Which topic?
It is riddle na bete. Monday I'll be telling you. You will get. Before weekend I will give the topic to you. Okay. Today's topic is stative verb. I'm continuing the same topic which we started yesterday. ठीक है? Now please give a brief review. Rafi, quickly.
Yes,
What is a stative verb?
Miss. Stative verb means
आपको बताया था ना? We have two verbs. What are those?
मिस आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही.
Now are you getting my voice? जी.
मिस रुके.
Everyone do give attendance as well. Amsal, Amna, Aryan, Fatma Mohsin has given very good. Reja given very good. Vania, please attendance. Ji Rafi. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible?
Yes.
Are you getting my voice?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now please
Yes.
do let me know a short review. Quickly, Rafi. Okay, who will tell? Fatma, you tell beta. A brief review.
Stative verb is a state that tells us feelings and thoughts.
That tell us.
Feelings and thoughts.
Very good, Fatma. You know, stative verb are those which describes the state of a person, and it describes the feeling and state. Is that clear? Now, Amsal, give the example, bete. Give example. Give example.
Interesting example.
Amsal, share the example, then I will clear it more. Sinan, unmute yourself, ji bete. Sinan, unmute yourself.
He is pilot and aircraft engineer also. 2.
Very good, very good. Now, you know, few verbs are started verb, like in that we can show the feelings. I love reading. I'm not doing any action now.
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Am I audible to all of you? Ji bete. Are you getting my voice, all of you?
Yes.
Ji Amna, are you getting now? Amna,
Yes.
check your internet connection, bete. All are getting the voice of mine. Okay. Now do let me know who will tell more example of a stative verb. Ji, Mubashir, you tell.
जी मिस मिस आपकी
Give example
कल
of-
आवाज आ रही है.
Do give example of a stative verb.
सर मिस जैसे मिस a police officer. Miss,
Ji, very good.
police officer, Miss pilot.
Very good. It's really good. Use some other instead of SMR.
Army.
Rija,
Engineer.
Aryan, Fania, Mushfatma. If you don't open camera, I will remove you. You have 2 minutes with you to open camera.
Miss, I am opening.
Abdullah Danish, mark my word, I will remove. Quickly open the camera. Otherwise, I'm removing. G. Rafe, you did not share the example. Share example, bete. I want everyone to open the camera, please. G. Atla Pran, give the brief example, bete. Abdullah Pran, you are not audible, bete. Amsal, share the example. Abdullah Pran, bete, set the mic of yours. Amsal, give the example of stative verb. Amsal, Rahim, and Aryan. I want example of a stative verb. Quickly. Aryan, Rahim, one by one.
Yes, airplane.
Bete, I want the example of a stative verb. Listen carefully. Everyone should give attendance to me, please. Rahim, Anaya, please. Asghar, write present teacher, your name, section, everything, please. Ji, bete, give the example. Okay. Again, I am giving a description. Please listen the lecture carefully and then give example to me. I'm sharing a screen. Look at that carefully. Are you all able to look at the screen? Raise the hand. Okay, very good. Now look at that. Stative verb express a permanent state. ठीक है? For example, जब आप action करते हैं that you know ना कि you are doing something. Action verb में आपको पता होता है when you are walking, you are running, you are reading, तो उस वक्त action जो होता है continuous form में होता है, वो उस वक्त जारी होता है. Is that clear? At the time action was happening or is happening, लेकिन stative verb में action नहीं होता. Is that clear? For example, I agree with you. मैं आपसे agree करती हूँ. इसमें कोई action तो नहीं है ना? I love my mother. मैं अपनी अम्मी से प्यार करती हूँ. कोई action है? नहीं है. Okay. Bread consists of flour, egg and different thing. तो डबल रोटी में सब चीजें मौजूद हैं. हम ये तो नहीं कहेंगे डबल रोटी में सब चीजें मौजूद हो रही हैं. ऐसा होता है? ब्रेड में ऑलरेडी चीजें शामिल होती हैं, मुश्तमिल होती हैं. Is that clear to everyone? Bread consists of flour, wheat, egg, each and everything. वो उसमें शामिल होती हैं. Clear? हम ये तो नहीं कह सकते कि एक्शन इज कभी कंसिस्ट हो रही हैं, डबल रोटी में होती हैं कभी, ऐसा नहीं ना. So few verb are not having the continuous form. They are non-continuous. क्या होते हैं वो? Non-continuous, जिसमें एक्शन नहीं होता. ठीक है? It does not show any action. We normally don't use stative verb in present continuous form. Am I clear to everyone? जो stative verb होते हैं हम उनको एक्शन वर्ब के तौर पे इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. ठीक है? Those are expressing feelings, emotions, opinion or sometime senses. Are you getting it? क्या करते हैं? They express a state of a person कि मैं क्या हूं. ठीक है? Sometimes my feeling, I care for you. अब ये क्या है? मैं आपका ख्याल रखती हूँ या मैं आपकी केयर करती हूँ, तो ये क्या है? I care for you. इसका मतलब है ये मेरी फीलिंग्स हैं, ये मेरी इमोशंस हैं. I agree with you. This is not the action verb. I'm not doing any kind of action in that. So कुछ फॉर्म्स ऐसी होती हैं वर्ब के स्टार्टेड जिनका कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म नहीं होता, जिनका ing फॉर्म नहीं होता. Is that clear? ठीक है? Look at these example. As I already told you, bread consists of flour, water and yeast. ब्रेड में जो चीजें शामिल होती हैं वो हो नहीं रही होती, वो ऑलरेडी शामिल होती हैं. ठीक है ना? तो ब्रेड में पानी भी होता है, आटा भी होता है. आप जो भी चीज शामिल करेंगे ऑलरेडी शामिल होगी, आपको बनी बनाई मिलती है. ठीक है? उसमें कोई एक्शन जारी नहीं होता. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, Vanya is joining us again. Okay, now this is all about feeling. Julius always hated dogs. Julia हमेशा डॉग से नफरत करती है. मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी Julius has been hating dog. ठीक है? क्योंकि इसका ing नहीं होता. ठीक है? अगर मैं आपको जानती हूँ या मैं स्टोरी जानती हूँ तो I will say I know you. ठीक है? I will not say I am knowing you. Are you getting my point? Are you all getting my point? Okay. Now who will give a brief review? What is a starter verb? Rafi. Anaya, Reja, bete, everyone open the voice. I will remove if you don't open camera. Rahim. Be attentive. Listen lecture and do take part, please. Ji, Rahim and Rafi, speak up. Who will not take part in the class? In the next class, I will not admit them. Now share examples, please. Ji, Aryan. Give me example. What are stative verb? Quickly.
Teacher, he is crying out in pain.
Aryan, listen carefully. I'm saying I want example of stative verb, not the ing one. मुझे action verb नहीं चाहिए. Practice stative verb. Express the feeling. Express your opinion. Express the state of a person. आप समझ रहे? I don't want action verb. No ing. We are practicing stative verb. Ji. Now share example. Share example quickly. Moise, you give a brief review, bete. What did you understand? Moise.
Yes, miss.
What is stative verb? What we did today?
It's like
I want example. Okay, think about it. Rija, speak up.
Teacher, the expression are permanent rather than action and continuous.
Example, I want example. Just give the example of a stative verb.
We suppose it is true.
Wow, very nice. More example, Rija.
I doubt he is saying true.
Okay, really nice example. Anaya, now speak up. I want example. I want a stative verb example.
he cried a lot out of pain.
Anaya, beta, your microphone is not working properly, please. Make it closer. Ji, ab bole.
He cried a lot out of pain.
Okay. I did not get. Okay, write the message. Write sentence as message. Ji, Mubashir, share the examples.
Miss.
Quickly share examples, Mubashir. Any feeling, any expression. Listen carefully. Any feeling, कोई भी आपकी feelings है उसको express करें. Do you hate something? Do you love something? Are you fond of something? Do you like something? You hate something?
Miss hate.
जी hate, नफरत करना. इसमें कोई एक्शन नहीं होता, लेकिन ये हमारी फीलिंग्स होती हैं. हम नफरत भी कर सकते हैं, मोहब्बत भी कर सकते हैं. Do we?
Miss settings, मतलब settings.
Okay, Fatma Mohsin, speak up. Mubashir, think about more sentences, please.
I think she should work hard on her math.
Very good. Abdullah Danish, speak up. I want sentences quickly. Share examples.
I was crying, he was laughing.
I don't want ing one. Avoid using ing. अपनी feeling को express करें. आप बता सकते हैं you don't like English class, तो आप बोलें I love the class of yours teacher. I don't love. I hated the first class teacher. You are most welcome to say your feeling about your feeling. Share it. In the morning you wish to sleep now, so you can share your feelings, your expressions. I love reading. I hate completing assignment. Anything.
Miss,
Gigi.
I sleep at 8 p.m.
Okay. You know, you sleep at 8 p.m. na? Sleeping do have the ing form. ये static verb नहीं है. Sleep में action हो रहा होता है. आप सो रहे होते हैं. खराटे ले रहे होते हैं. Action going on. ऐसा वर्ड बताएं जिसमें एक्शन नहीं होता. We don't do action. That is not having ing form. जिसका ing नहीं होता. It does not have ing. Sinan, speak up.
I love to eat mangoes.
Very good. I also love to have. Vania, speak up. Vania, share about the feelings. Your feelings, your expressions, your state. Quickly, quickly, share it. Do take part in the class. You are not audible. Bete, please, I request everyone to arrange your microphone or headphone, whatever you are using, before the class. ठीक है? पहले से arrange किया करें.
If
जी, speak up.
मैं sentence बोलूँ अब?
Yes, yes, you can. Yes, bete, Anaya,
Okay, miss.
you share the documents. Bete, write the message. Anaya, write message. The example, please. Ali Salman, Yusra, speak up. Do take part in the class. Please, Yusra, Ali Salman, I want examples. Everyone should unmute themselves for 2 minutes to share examples. But do care, don't interrupt when one is speaking. To unmute yourself, खुद से करें and share examples quickly. If one is speaking, the other will not interrupt. Quickly speak up. Unmute yourself, खुद से करें and share example. Ji, Yusra, example. Humaira, please share it.
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
Teacher, he likes
Ji, Aryan, again, again.
Teacher, he likes to become a banker.
Very good, Aryan. Excellent job. Yes, Amna, please share examples.
Teacher,
Miss, he hates to drink a milk.
Do you?
He hates to drink a milk.
He hates to drink a milk. Okay, I do also. Yucky, na, it's yucky. Yes, Reja.
You felt it was a good idea.
Okay, very nice, Reja. Good practice. Yes, bete Vania, Anaya, I want example, Umaira. Do take part in the class, please. Abdullah Danish. Please share example, bete.
We need plenty of water in summer season.
Again, repeat it.
We need plenty of water in summer season.
Okay, he needs plenty of water in summer season. Very good. Are you getting it? उसको पानी की जरूरत होती है गर्मी में. Very nice, bete. Now, yes, who will share more example? Without action, without ing. Mois, do take part in the class, please. Vania and Amna, please share more examples.
Miss,
Ji,
मैं बताऊं?
Ji, bete, most welcome.
I hate math. I hate science class and I love math class.
Oh, wow, that's really great. I love too. There are more interesting subjects now.
Yes.
And it involves our minds as well. Okay. Yes, Abdullah Farhan, you did not share a sentence. Ali Salman, Abdullah Farhan, don't sit quiet. Be attentive and share, please. Example.
Loves to be a farmer.
Can I?
G, please.
When I start sleeping, the baby start crying.
Again, repeat the sentence.
When I start sleeping, when I sleep, the baby start crying.
When I?
When I sleep,
No, it has ing one. Sleeping do have the continuous form, or sleep verb do have. So we cannot use. I'm saying use those words which shows expression and feeling. ing nahi used na.
Miss,
G.
I suppose he wanted to help.
I?
I suppose he wanted to help.
Okay, very good, Fatma. Yes, Rafi, speak up.
I love parrots, but I hate cats.
Very good. Look at that.
Can
I'm
I
fond
guess?
of something. I am fond of reading. I am fond of playing cricket. Are you getting it? उसमें
Teacher,
मैं action
can
नहीं
I-
कर रही हूँ.
Teacher,
I'm not
can I-
doing it at the moment.
Can I?
G.
Yeah, can I?
Yes, sure.
Teacher, I like to go in heaven and not in hell.
Wow, wonderful sentence. So for that, you need a lot of things to do. You know, so many good deeds. And get the highest scores. You know, Aryan? Okay. Yes, Abdullah Danish, I'm waiting for your sentences. Where are you looking? Come to my class, wake up. आ जाए वापस.
Miss, can I?
Don't make castle in the air. ठीक है? ख्याली प्लाव ना बनाएं. Come on, come back. Come to my class.
Teacher,
जी बेटे.
can I?
Sure बेटे, you can.
He loves to be a farmer.
Anaya, he cried aloud, out of pain. Na? In that cry has the ing one. Cried ka ing hota hai bete. So we cannot take it as stative. Stative mean when there is no action. ठीक है? वो रोया या रोएगी या रो रही है तो action. ठीक है? Cry का action होता है. Use without action. I want stative verb. Like your feeling, your expressions. समझ रही हैं आप अनाया? Make more sentences, बेटे. Saad, do take part in the class. Share examples.
Teacher, Ali is not present here because he is not feeling well.
Okay, fine. Take good care of you, bete Ali. Ji Saad. Give sentences, bete. Did you get the topic? Ji, all of you. Did you understand the topic, my dear, all of you?
Yes.
So share the example, na mera beta.
Can I tell?
Yes, sure.
He promised he will stay with him.
Wow, Rija, excellent job. Ji, Anaya, more example. I'm waiting, bete. Only one example you shared, please. More example, Abdullah Danish.
Yes.
Wake up. Wake up. Otherwise, I'm coming to your home.
Yes, can I?
Yes, bete.
Thought that he would go on seaside.
Wow. It's about thinking. Very nice, Rafe. Yes, Amna. Asghar, please share example. What did you understand today? Acha, who will give complete definition of the stative verb and with two example? Who will do so? Mubashir, give a short review quickly. Complete. Quickly.
He
The The description of started with description first. जी बेटे.
मिस एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं?
Yes, बेटे, sure, why not? Whatever you
he-
understand,
he-
share with me.
He
I
loves
want
the
everyone to
cricket.
take part.
He loves the cricket, but he hates the football.
Okay, very nice. And I have very good examples. I love hide and seek, but I hate cricket. The boy loves cat, but he hates lion. Very nice, Anaya. Good job. You know, Metin, when we are speaking, we don't care about the punctuation mark. But when you are writing, so you have to care about the punctuation mark. You know what you did? I is small. TK, it should be capital. Fine, there is no full stop at the end. And the boy loves cat, but he hates में S आएगा. The boy, T should be capital and full stop missing. Add those things. It should be punctuated one. Okay? In writing order, we do care about the punctuation, grammatical, each and everything.
Teacher, can I tell definition?
Yes, my dear, yes, why not?
Stative verb is the verb that
Loudly.
a stative verb is the verb that expresses the state of a person, feelings and emotions.
Very good. Started verb expresses state, expression, feelings, and verb of senses are also started verb. ठीक है? अच्छा ठीक है. अगर मैं कहूँ आपसे, मैं गाना सुनती हूँ. How will you translate it? Yes, Sinan.
She listens songs.
Very good. He listens song. आपने listen क्यों use किया? Why not hear?
She listens.
Why not hear?
Teacher, तो म्यूजिक के साथ.
This is the reason. Very good, Sinan. When we are listening and playing by ourselves, we are using I listen or I am listening. Are you getting me? Because I am playing the music को मैंने play किया है, and the sound that is unexpectedly coming in the air. So for that we use hear. ठीक है ना? जी वानिया, share your example, बेटे.
Miss, I like rabbits, but I hate dog.
Okay. When you're talking about the vegetable, na, both the things should be related to vegetables. Yusra, be attentive and take part in the class. I want sentences, bete. Asghar, 1 minute we are having to end up the class. Yusra and Asghar, I want sentences. Please, Asghar, share sentence.
I want to go on picnic, but
Quickly, Asghar. The class time ended, bete. Only 1 minute.
I want to go on picnic, but
Very good. Okay, Yusra, you share. Please take part in the class.
I like math.
Wow.
I do not like science.
I don't like. I के साथ ही use do. Yes, Amna, quickly share it. I के साथ does use नहीं होता बेटा. जी.
Miss, I love puppies, but I don't love dogs.
Very good. Yes, the class time ended now, everyone. Take good care of you. Again, I'm giving a brief review. Startive verb, do express feeling, expression, and state of a person. Clear to everyone? In that, we don't use any ing form. It does not have the continuous form. ठीक है? इसका ing नहीं होता. Normally, static verbs are not having continuous form. It means it does not have ing. Is that clear? In assignment, I'll be giving you riddle
Yes.
to solve it. Allah Hafiz, everyone, smile.
It's homework.
Allah Hafiz.
Homework, miss.
बेटे through university I'll be giving. University से check कीजिएगा. Go to school site and check from there. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, everyone.